we are gonna make a lychee milkshake, and the ingredients needed for this lychee milkshake are to make the milkshake, put some lychees in the grinder. See that? Doesn't it look good? So after adding sugar, and yeah, sugar is totally optional. Like if you don't want to add it, you don't need to add it. So the sugar and the lychees may grind it up. Now we'll add some cold milk. Add cold milk according to the number of glasses you are making. I added 1 glass. So the milkshake is ready, and now it's the time to plate it. The milkshake is ready, and now I'm pouring it in the glass. So now I'm gonna take some lychee and I'm gonna put it over, sort of we can get some pieces of lychee while drinking. So if you want more of these videos, make sure you like my video, subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to press the bell notification to get notified whenever I post a new video. Bye! I'll see you in my next video.